Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off awards you receive on notification settings on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings. Now click account settings and now click manage notifications, and here you will find it. Awards you received, just click on it like this, and if you want to turn it off, just click like this and this will be turned off, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.